Welcome the our channel. Today we how to transfer authentication from Auth0 into Bubble, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer authentication from Auth0 into Bubble, start by logging into your Auth0 account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the application you want to integrate with Bubble. In the settings of the application, find the domain and client ID values. Next, go to your Bubble application and open the editor. Select the Plugins tab from the left sidebar. Click on the Add Plugins button to search for new plugins. Search for the Auth0 plugin and install it by clicking the appropriate button. Once installed, go back to the Plugins tab. Find the Auth0 plugin and click on Settings to configure it. In the settings, enter the domain and client ID from your Auth0 application. You may also need to specify the client secret from Auth0. Next, navigate to the API section of your Auth0 dashboard. Create a new API and define the audience for your application. Make sure to note the identifier created for the API. Head back to your Bubble editor and open the Workflow tab. Create a new workflow for user login and select the Auth0 login action. Set up the login action using the identified audience. Test the workflow to ensure authentication redirects to Auth0 properly. Once confirmed, proceed to set up the logout workflow in Bubble. You'll want to configure it similarly to the login workflow. Ensure the logout action directs users correctly post-logout. Now, create a page in Bubble to handle the callback from Auth0 after authentication. In your application settings, set the allowed callback URLs to match your Bubble app URL. Make sure to include the appropriate login and logout URLs in your Auth0 settings as well. Finally, test your integration thoroughly to confirm everything is functioning as expected. Review the Bubble editor to ensure authentication flows seamlessly. If issues arise, consult both Auth0 and Bubble documentation for troubleshooting guidance. Once everything is working as desired, finalize your app settings and prepare for deployment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.